Hello, everybody. James from Jamrose Electronics Solutions here. I am in my Wii Corsa D. It's a 2007 Corsa D. And my complaint, I'm the owner of this, is that the blower motor, the AC system is not working. This is number 4. There is nothing working. I have the engine going here, you know, I have my engine going, but there is no response at all. I know this is changing, of course, moving from hot to cold, but if I come here to the switch, okay, this the switch to change the speed and nothing. Okay, so what I would like to do for now, I want to take you to a wiring diagram where I'm going to show you the options, where I'm going to, I'll be showing you what I'll do to get started with this kind of a problem. What am I going to be looking at? So let's go to a wiring diagram, and it will be an auto data wiring diagram. So I would like to show you my approach to solving uh, this problem. Okay, so let's do so. Now I've come close to the computer. I'm on auto data, and I want to show you, the steps that I promised you that I was going to show you. So this system, this AC system, you can see that it involves a switch here, and then also involves a resistor here. It also involves an AC, function control module, and then it has got the blower motor itself. Okay, and we have got wiring. You've got a gray way. This is where you need to be careful, because if you disconnect it here, you are seeing an orange wire. But look, there's a connector here. It becomes brown. By the time it gets to the fuse, it is now brown. Okay, so here we are depending on fuse number 5, which is 40 amps. Okay, and where is that? That is on the fuse box relay plate. Okay, fuse relay plate 1. That's where we are. That's it here. So now this fuse, where does it get its power? It gets it from this relay here, the ignition auxiliary circuit relay 2. That's what supplies. Once it closes here, and then current flows through this fuse down the brown wire right up to here. Remember, this is our consumer. Okay, this is our load, so our power should end up here. So from here, from this side going this side, is our ground. Okay, so this the resistor is on the ground side, the switch is on the ground side. Okay, so let me point out quickly things that can shut down the whole system. Okay, if let's say the whole system is not working, it could be this ground wire here, this black wire. Okay, this ground wire here, if it breaks, the whole system will not work. Okay, and then if one of these wires break, no issue, some of them will work. If this brown wire breaks here, the whole system is shut down. Okay, if this wire here, the orange and brown wire, if it breaks, the whole system is going to shut down. So I'm just showing you points where you really need to be careful. If you find out this thing is not partially working, but it's everything. Okay, it's the same. If this fuse is blown, the whole system will shut down. If this relay, everything else could be fine, but if this relay is not working, the whole system will shut down. So now, so for me to, to do a quick job, I'm going to start here. I'll come here. So why am I coming here? I want to eliminate testing this relay, and I want to eliminate testing this fuse or checking if this wire has got an open or a short. So I just want to come straight here, okay, on the blower motor. And then I'll check my power. Ignition key on. I'll check my power here. So if I have no power, if there's not going to be any power, now I'm starting to work backwards because I know that the issue is not this side, the issue is that way. So I start to work backwards, disconnect here and then disconnect here, or just pull out the fuse. If I pull out that fuse, I can check this wire for continuity. Okay, the best way is to check for resistance, but I can check it for continuity. Okay, now if the wire is fine, then we check the fuse, and if the fuse is fine, then we check the relay. Okay, right. Or we can check the ignition system to see is this relay supplied with power anyway. All right, now when I come here and I'm satisfied, okay, then I'll come this side of the load. Now I'm looking for, to check my ground. Okay, so I'm coming to check my ground, or I can even go here and then go to this wire here. It's still, this is the ground side. Okay, if I go there and go to a ground, I'm supposed to get, the full voltage. Now, once that is done, I know now that my system is fine. My powers and grounds are okay. So what I do now, what I want to show you here is if this resistor is blown, okay, the resistor is gone, you will find that it might not work. So this is your speed number 1, speed number 2, speed number 3. So it might not work on speed number 3, speed number 2, speed number 1. Why am I saying this is speed number 1? When current comes in here, when you have selected speed number 1, current comes in here, it has got to go through resistor 3, resistor 2, resistor 1, and then flows through to ground. Okay, so you can see there are 3 resistors involved. These are connected in series. So hence why when we are on number 1, our fan will be running slow. When we are on number 2, we've got only 2 resistors involved. Our fan speed will go up slightly. When you're on number 3, it's only 1 resistor involved. Our fan speed will go up even higher. But if we're on number 4, this is a direct path. Okay, if we select number 4, that is a direct path. It does not have resistance. Okay, so that's the faster speed. It goes mad here. So current just flows through. Remember, listen to me. I'm saying current flows through. I'm not saying voltage flows through, because voltage does not flow. Voltage is just the pressure that drives the current. So current will flow through and there is no resistance at all. So this motor here, so once current flows through, finds ground, this motor here will be going fast. Okay. But in this case, okay, I don't even have that direct link. It is not there. So the possibilities or where the issue might be could be this ground here could be gone. Okay. Or maybe there is a fault with this switch inside here. All right. It could be a fault with this switch here. Unless if something has happened in this resistor to the point that this there is a break somewhere here at the top here, which affects all of the direct and the resisted, the wires that have got a resistance. Okay, so there must be something either on the ground side here. Maybe that wire there is broke, or either I don't have power here. So when I am going to, I'm just making sure that this video is going to be short. So when I'm going to work on the car, I'm going to take this to the car. For now, I just want to leave you these tactics, these techniques, but I'm going to go to the car. When I go to the car, I am going now to check to make sure that my points that I've been giving you, these deadly points that I was showing you that this could shut this whole system completely, these are the ones that I'm gonna start interrogating. But to be honest with you, like I said to you, I can start here. But if for me to come here, it means I'll have to go underneath. I'll have on in the passenger footwell. But I can also check my fuse here and say, do I have power? If I have power, definitely I'm not going to omit this part here. I'll have to come here. Then once I have power here, I know that the integrity of this side is good. I'm not going to interrogate it. Okay. Then I can start now working, coming this side. I don't know, but I doubt very much if it is the switch. I doubt, sorry, if it is the resistor, neither do I think it is the switch. Okay. There's one thing that I left here that could throw the whole thing out of keta. Okay. It's this module here. It could be this module here. All right. So having shown you all these things, let me go to the car. For the meantime, enjoy this video. Let me have your comments. Send your comments to me. Let me know what you think. If you enjoy the video, you can hype them. And please consider as well to subscribe. Also, consider, to hit that like button. And also, do not forget to watch our next video. Always be on the watch out for the next video. I am James from Jumbo's Electronic Solution, and I bow out.